Hello everyone, this is Shivani. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's tutorial, I am going to talk about the radio button and its attribute. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like the videos, comment and share. So let's start today's tutorial. What is radio button? Radio button is the XML component of Android which allow us to select one option from many. So I am going to show you how to use radio button in Android Studio. Before that, I am going to explain you the example so that you will be clear about where to use radio buttons. In many application forms, you will be having the section of gender where you have two options. First is male and another is female. So you have to choose one of them. So in that case, you have to use radio button. If you have any of section where you have multiple options to select, there you can't use radio button. So remember that wherever you have to use one of the option from many, in that case you have to use radio button. Here I am going to add the radio button above this submit button. So here is the code of button, and above that I am going to add the radio button. As I said in example, we will take two radio buttons for gender. First is male and another is female. Here I am going to take radio button XML component and I will give width as a wrap content, height also wrap content, and for giving the label we have to use text attribute. Here I will give male and another I will create for female. Again I will take width as a wrap content, height as a wrap content, and I will give label with the help of text as female. So you are able to see here we have created two radio buttons. First is male, second is female. So you are able to see here the round section. If you want to change the color, you can change the color with the help of button tint attribute. Whichever color you want, I am going to give here black. So I will apply it for both the radio buttons. It is button tint and I am going to give color as a black. So whenever I will select, it will select as a black. Now the important thing is, if you just add two radio buttons, then it will not act as a radio button. If you are selecting this or this, it can able to select both the things. But to select any of these options, for that we need to use radio group. So with the help of radio group, we can able to make the radio buttons to select one of them only. Here I am going to give height and width to radio group. So whichever options you want to add for radio buttons, you have to add it under radio group, then only it will show that property, which is select any of the options. So if you don't add these components, radio buttons, under the radio group, then it will act as a normal selector. It can select both the things, but if you add it under radio button, then it will allow you to select only one option from all the options. So I will show you how it is working. I will run this app on emulator and I will show you how it is working. Our app is installed now. We will check it on emulator. So here we have two radio buttons, that is male and female. If I select male, then it is showing selected, but if I am going to click on female, then male will remove and female will select. So this happens due to radio group. If you use only radio buttons, then it will allow to select both the options at a time. So to avoid that, we have to compulsory use radio group for the performance. I hope you understood all the things about radio button. If you find this video helpful for you, please like, comment and share. And if you have any doubt regarding this tutorial, you can mention in a comment. I will definitely try to give solutions for that. Thank you for watching.